So I am a Philanthropy and Nonprofit Management major. I actually didn't start off as that major. I changed after my sophomore year because I loved the idea of making a difference while making a living. And with nonprofits, there's so many different populations you can serve, so I knew it was a really growing, diverse field. And I love the classes so much because they're really hands-on. Just this last summer, I did an internship with Center Region Parks and Recreation in State College, and it was the most wonderful experience. They were celebrating their 50th anniversary, so for my main project was planning an event to celebrate, and it was taking in all aspects of the agency because they do tons of things and celebrating all the things CRPR does. And also they work with tons of community partners. So to bring those partners in too and have a big family festival. So we had a bounce house and food and games and prizes. And so it was my job to coordinate all that. And over 1,000 people came to the event. So it was awesome and just a really wonderful experience. So I was involved with several organizations, one being the Student Nonprofit Alliance, which is the group that coordinates tons of events, and they actually do amazing work. And one of the things I was involved with is an organization called Speak Up that was actually started out of one of the nonprofit classes. So it was another program that was recommended and funded by the county. And Speak Up aims to engage and empower Butler County youth. And so we go and do leadership curriculum with 7th through 11th graders, and I was a student facilitator last year, and then this year I was the program manager, so I got to oversee the other SRU students. The curriculum in the nonprofit management major is really preparing me because the classes are hands-on, and so you get to meet professionals in the field and work with them and create items for them that you would be creating if you were actually hired by them. So you're getting experience in your undergraduate programs that you would actually be doing in the real workforce. So what makes me an SRU success story is I graduate in 2 weeks on December 17th. And for the past month, I've actually been employed already. Honestly, it's just amazing to have a job before graduation, to know that I graduate December 17th and I know exactly what December 18th holds. And I've joined this major because I wanted to do something helping youth and making a difference, and I ended up exactly in that place. My name is Kyrie Hartzell, and I am an SRU success story.